A recent court decision in an old murder case could mean serious consequences for prosecutors who are accused of winning trials at all costs. Investigative reporter Angie Rucono looks at Floyd Bledsoe's push for justice and why other wrongfully convicted people are watching his case.
Floyd Bledsoe spent 15 years in prison for a crime he didn't do. He's now suing the prosecutor, saying he played a key role in his wrongful conviction. The prosecutor has been arguing he has immunity because he's a prosecutor, but a higher court disagreed and said this case can move forward. In 1999, 14-year-old Camille Arfman disappeared. Her body was eventually found under a pile of trash. Camille was Floyd's sister-in-law. Floyd spoke to reporters about the tragedy, having no idea he would later be wrongfully accused and convicted of the crime.
It feels like maybe in a way that I've lost a daughter, more than just a sister-in-law.
Tom Bledsoe originally confessed to the crime, but later pinned it on his brother Floyd. Floyd was sentenced to life in prison. He served 15 years.
There's stuff that'll never come back. You know, there's stuff that you'll never be able to do.
Floyd was freed when his brother finally admitted to the truth. DNA also connected Tom directly to the crime scene. Tom eventually killed himself in this parking lot, leaving behind a troubling suicide note. I sent an innocent man to prison. The Jefferson County Police and County Attorney Jim Vanderbilt made me do it. I was told by Vanderbilt to keep my mouth shut. Now I'm going to set things right. Setting things right isn't so easy. Prosecutors generally have immunity. It's something that frustrates innocence projects, who argue over the years they've uncovered wrongdoing by prosecutors who were more interested in winning cases at all costs than finding the truth. And Floyd Bledsoe is not alone in his criticism of prosecutors. Lamont McIntyre spent 23 years in prison. His lawyers have harsh criticism for the prosecutor behind the scenes in his case.
And they break the law to get a conviction. They'll do all kind of things to get a conviction. And I think that whatever prosecutor, whatever detective, whatever judge is not following those guidelines should be held accountable. If not, this thing will continue to happen over and over again.
To me, she's in a category by herself, and shame on her for that.
And Ricky Kidd alluded to the prosecutor behind his wrongful conviction during his first moments of freedom.
We all should be angry about that and should be also willing to do something about it.
Bledsoe is arguing that police and prosecutors violated his civil rights. Bledsoe is now rebuilding his life. He's now married and has young children. We'll keep you posted on his case. Angie Rucono, KCTV5 News.